It is time for another packing video. I am leaving for Switzerland tomorrow. I'm gonna spend a week there with visiting family and just, I don't know, we'll see. But we are gonna pack for this. And as always, I am using my Wayks backpack, and I'm gonna link you this brand down below. It's a sustainable startup from Berlin. It's made out of recycled plastic bottles. I think the color is beautiful. It is a versatile and it's a system that's just amazing. I love my backpack. I've had it for over 2 years and it's the only backpack I own and I use for everyday stuff, for traveling, for everything. But now we're gonna pack. I'm gonna try to pack as minimalist as possible for 1 week in Switzerland, still take everything I need. I'm gonna take the train and so I have to do a bit of walking during the travel day, and just in general, I like to pack as light as possible just because it's so much more comfortable. Let's get started. So now I've collected everything that I'm going to bring. It's just like my clothes and also toiletries and tech stuff, as well as a book, some things I have to bring back to my family, and some voting material because I am Swiss and I'd rather bring it to Switzerland than paying for it to be shipped there. So I'm bringing it with me and this is all going to go in my backpack. This is the stuff I'm gonna wear tomorrow for the train ride. And now let's pack. So I have used packing cubes sometimes, but I never thought that they really helped. So I'm just gonna kind of stuff everything into this backpack. This one opens up like a suitcase, if that's something you're interested in. Also, it comes with a lot of compartments here at the back. And I think I'm going to put some things in here, masks, and toiletries. No, let's actually put the toiletries in this side compartment here. Which reminds me of something I also want to bring. My water bottle. And this one is going to go into the other side compartment on the other side. Let's actually put all the cables in here too. This time I'm not gonna bring my laptop and I'm just gonna work with my phone a little bit, but I'm trying to get this video edited today so that it can go live next week and I don't have to bring my laptop for working because that's heavy and yeah, I'd like to just also relax a bit. One pair of extra pants. I'm gonna wear the jeans I have, so this one is lighter and easier to carry around. It's also better for spring and summery weather, but I'm not going to bring a pair of shorts because I don't think it's going to be that hot. Then one extra sweater. It's what I made myself, and my mom also said that I should bring it because she wants to take a closer look at it. So I'm going to bring this one. Then I have 2 t-shirts. They are both by Organic Basics, and as well as a lot of other stuff. So I'm also going to link you Organic Basics down below, as well as a 10% discount code. It's one of my favorite brands, and as you can see, I have, again, 2 t-shirts. I'm gonna wear a third one. I have 2 pair of socks, also from Organic Basics, and 1 pair that is bulky and big and self-knit. I have an extra bra, also from Organic Basics. And I have 7 pairs of underwears. Now, this is the maximum I'm gonna take. I'm never taking more than that whenever I go somewhere, because I think if I'm staying longer than a week, it makes more sense to do laundry, just because I'd rather have a very light luggage and do laundry once a week or every 5 days. But this time I thought I don't have that much, so I'd rather just bring 7 pairs. I don't have to do laundry then. 4 of them are by Organic Basics. This is a German sustainable brand, and this is a not so sustainable brand. I thought it's sustainable, but some stuff happened, so I don't want to support them anymore. Then we're done with clothes, and here, as I said, voting material. Of course I could send that as a letter to Switzerland, but I thought it's more convenient this way, and I don't have the time to do it now, so I'm taking everything with me to do it in Switzerland. And my wallet. I've already put like Swiss francs in there. Then I have my phone and my headphones, and I'm just gonna, I think I'm not even putting them in my backpack because I'm still gonna use them today, but I wanted to show you that I bring those. I have a book I found at a like public bookshelf, and I decided to bring this, even though it's like pretty heavy, but I thought like, I don't know, when I run out of power, when I have a seat in a train where I cannot plug in my phone, when I do want to do something else than looking at a screen, I'll bring the book. I'm gonna put that back in here as well. And then, yeah, I have like a lot of heavy stuff here. So these are pictures from my childhood. I have digitized them, and I'm actually going to link you the video where I talk more about that up here. But I digitized all of them. I kept some of them in paper form, but all the rest, instead of like just throwing them away, I'm going to bring them to Switzerland where all of the rest of my family lives, and they are going to be able to like look through them and see if they want to keep something just before I like toss them, because you know, these only exist once and digitally now. But so they can take a look. And here's the book I've shared like at the beginning of the year. I think I got it for Christmas, but my sister said she wanted to read it, so I'm bringing it to her. And these are two like children's books that I borrowed from my mom 1 or 2 years ago. So I'm bringing those back to her as well. And that's actually what's going to make this backpack rather heavy, or like it's not going to be super heavy, but it's not going to be, you know, actually, I think it makes sense to put that in some other, like, yeah, in a bag or something, because otherwise it's gonna be everywhere. So let me grab one. I found this one. It's like a cotton bag from our electricity provider, which is like sustainable, and we recently finally made the change to like renewable energy completely. So let's put that in here. Yeah, well, that's not like nicely packed or anything. So I'm coming a bit closer. Oi. I don't think I'm gonna bring any food. It's like a 5-hour train ride. And then depending on if I take the bus or if I walk, it's gonna be another hour or half an hour until I'm there. Maybe I'm gonna bring like some nuts or like some emergency food. Ah, my hair. Okay. But this is the luggage we're gonna have this time. It looks really bad, so maybe I have to repack or something, but everything is in here, and I don't know, it's maybe 5 kilograms, about 10 pounds. Oh, actually another thing I'm also bringing is my camera that I'm currently using for filming. I'm not gonna bring a tripod. I think I'm gonna bring the microphone, but it's not like, it's not that big. Maybe, wait, maybe I can show you. So as you can see, like the camera and the microphone together are not that big. I might bring those and just wrap it in the sweater I bring, because I do not have like a proper camera bag that's just for this camera. And I'm just gonna bring my camera to maybe vlog a bit and maybe like take pictures of family and my son, and you know, bring my camera to Switzerland if there's something beautiful I want to capture. And now I think we're packed and ready to go on the train tomorrow. Something I forgot to tell you. I'm gonna wear my jacket, maybe a hat, and I'm gonna just bring the shoes I'm wearing, so no extra shoes, because I think they take up a lot of space and I never need an extra pair of shoes. And I just love traveling with that amount of luggage because it's like easily just a day pack. I just want to say that like I love traveling, and so I hate when luggage is like taking away from traveling. And so I just really try to pack simply and minimally. And as you could see, I think I have like really everything I need, and it's still not that much. I have enough clothes, and if something gets dirty, I always have an extra. And if that gets dirty, I can still wash it by hand or wash it in a washing machine. And I would like to have even less, but I have a lot of paper that I have to bring this time. And now I would really be interested in hearing your favorite minimalist packing tips. And I hope you have like had a great Easter and maybe celebrated with family if you're celebrating. And other than that, I do want to link you, let's think about that. I'm actually gonna link you the video where I pack for a weekend, because that's even a lot more minimal and might be interesting for you. And I hope to see you over there, and I hope you have Beautiful adventures if you're traveling, and bye bye.